Hello guys, good evening everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tonight we will discuss about the 12 leads out dual voltage motors for Y connections. Line 1, T1 and partner niya is T-port coil. Then nakaseries siya sa T7, ang T7 coil partner niya is terminal 10. Then ang line 2, T2 partner coil T5. Then nakaseries sa T8 and T8 partner coil is T11. Then line 3, T3 partner coil is T6. Nakaseries sa T9. Then ang T9 coil partner is T12. T10, T11 and T12 is naka-join together ang cable. Kasi this is coil. T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, T7, T8, and T9, T10, T11, and T12. Ito lang guys. T1 and T4. Ito yung coil. Dahil nakaseries tayo sa terminal 4 and terminal 7. Then ang partner sa coil sa T7 is T10. Naka-jumper siya sa T11 and T12. Then T2, yung coil niya, partner T5, naka-jumper siya sa terminal 8. Ang terminal partner coil niya is T11. Ang terminal 3, ng partner coil niya is T6. Naka-jumper tayo sa T9. Then ang T9 coil partner niya is T12. Para sa series Y. This is high voltage connection series Y. Connection. Ang line 1 is T1. T4 and T7 naka-series. Para sa line 1. Ang line 2 is terminal 2. Ang T5 and T8 naka-series for line 2. Line 3 is T3. Ang T6 and T9 naka-series para sa line 3. Tapos yung join yung terminal 10 and terminal 11 and terminal 12 para sa Y series Y. Then another is parallel Y. Gawa tayo ng Y connection single muna. T1, ito yung line 1 natin. Ang partner's coil is T4. Then naka-join together ang T5 and T6. And T5 ang partner coil niya is T2 for line 2. Then ang T6 partner coil niya is T3 for line 3. Ito naka-series siya dito T4, T5 and T6 para sa Y connection single Y. Another Y is T7, ang partner coil niya is T9. Ang T7 and T1 for line 1. Ang T10, T11 and T12 naka-join together. Then ang T11, ang partner coil niya is terminal 8. Terminal 8, naka-jumper siya sa terminal 2 para sa line 2. Then terminal 12, ang partner coil niya is T9. Ang T9 naka-jumper kasama sa T3 for line 3. Ito yung connection. Parallel Y. T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. Ito yung line 1 natin. T1, line 2, T2, line 3, T3. I-jumper natin ang terminal 4, terminal 5, terminal 6 para sa single Y connection. Then, ang T7, T8, T9, ang partner niya is T7 and coil T10. Ang T10, i-jumper natin ang T10, T11 and T12 join together. Ang T8 and coil partner T11. Ang T9 ang partner coil niya T12 para sa second Y natin to connection. para makabuo tayo ng parallel Y. This is a low voltage connection, parallel Y. Connection, line 1 is equal, line 1, T1 and T7 para sa line 1. Line 2, T2 and T8 is line 2. Line 3 is terminal 3 and terminal 9. Then, join ang terminal 4 and terminal 5 and terminal 6 join together para sa unang parallel, first parallel. First Y connection, Y connection. Then, second join is T10 and T11 and T12 para sa second Y natin. Parallel Y connection. Bible verse of the day. John 14:3. And if I go and prepare a place for you, I will come again and receive you unto myself, that where I am, there ye may be also. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please, don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching guys, and God bless. To God be all the glory.